Hi everyone, Mixed Media Girl here. So it has been asked that I do an egg carton pour, although to me this is basically the same thing as the ice cube tray, but I guess it's different shapes and whatever. And basically the one I'm going to copy is from, I think it's Tiktus art. So I'm going to put colors in these slots down here, and then just black up here. Although one of the colors will be white as well. And I'm trying to do some fun colors, not just the usual. So over here, a little purple. Don't have a lot of that left, so hopefully it's enough. Yeah, and then, so these are Artist Loft Flow acrylics mixed with floetrol and water. All of the materials will be in the description. I'm gonna just because this has a little less paint, I'm gonna throw in a little bit of white in there too. Just because I want kind of all of these to have a similar amount of paint. I'm using gold, which is the full Decoart Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. And then a teal. All right. This is going to be interesting. His only had 5 sections. Mine has 6, but I think it'll be okay. All right. Good. And then I am going to coat this with just a thin coat of black really quick. This is a very unexciting part, so I'm going to go ahead and just do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got a mostly even thin coat of black here, and I'm going to move this canvas down a little. So basically what I saw him do was pour like this. So the black's going into the colors, and then onto the canvas. I'm going to move it a little bit, otherwise it'll just all go off. I feel like I should have started a little more at the bottom, but that's okay. All right. So as you can see, it definitely creates a really unique pattern. I could have definitely had, especially with this canvas size, only 5 slots would have probably actually worked a lot better. Because I think this overdid it on the paint a little bit. I don't like the lined look so much, so I'm kind of going to bring it over here. Did lose a lot of my purple, but that's okay. And there we go. You know what I like about trying these new techniques is I learn something every time. So sometimes I might try something in my own way, and I'm like, oh, it'll work a little better that way. Or I see why they did it that way, or whatever, you know what I mean? But it's always just super fun to try the different techniques that other people have put out and see what results I can get with them, and maybe how I can kind of make them my own. Anyways, let's let this sit here for a little while. It's very interesting, and then we'll come back and do our close-up. Okay, really not moving around. I don't really see cell development happening or anything. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. Okay, lower right-hand corner. I do find it interesting that these colors, even though right next to each other, really didn't blend at all. They are pretty clear-cut lines. But I think if I were to have tilted the canvas more, that probably would have gotten a bit more blending. I love how the white and black look over here, and I think that this could look great with just white and black. So for the future, I'm definitely going to try it on a larger canvas, and we'll probably try colors that maybe correspond together a little bit better. But I think this is just a really fun technique. Alright guys, let me know what you think down in the comments, and I will link the original video down in the description, as well as all the materials, and I will see you all next time.